Ruga. And so just tell them the inspiration behind Blown Boy Rule album.
Inspiration behind Blown Boy Rule album now. Mainly the fact I start my own label. You know, it's a new me, it's a new era. I have to embody that. You understand? So now why I name it Blown Boy Rule, Blown Boy Entertainment, Blown Boy Rule.
You know, so when you be enter the industry, you been they cover one eye. You don't stop.
I see they cover one eye.
Well, now the glasses you wear, that shade two now you cover.
And
so
they switch them up.
They switch them up. So not only one they cover now, the two they cover.
And they cover the two.
This one don't be cover now. This one na normal. You know,
when I see they cover only one eye, they see small evil. Now. Nah, see no evil.
See no evil.
No.
Yeah, no evil. Yeah, no evil.
I feel they hear, but I don't go see them.
But you know they see. You don't see any evil. Okay. So now what inspired the album be done, and of course, Ruga, we be done explain say your experiences for the year 2024.
Yeah.
That you put together.
Yeah.
As one another.
Yeah.
So another song we want playing and Dudu. Tell us about that one. Cranium day inside the song.
Dudu, shout out to Cranium. Dudu, a very, very nice song, a party song, you know. It's a song for the summer, you understand. And when I make that song, I just get Cranium for me. I just send that to him because Cranium don't support me from the beginning, you understand. I just send that to Baba. I just voice him one time. Okay,
so before we play the song where you do with Cranium now, I think. So what next now? The album don't drop.
Yeah.
You don't drop any. You get plans for videos or you don't shoot any video ahead.
Oh yeah, I don't shoot some videos ahead. Definitely, yeah.
Which video you don't shoot?
Yeah.
I know say the one where you do with Tiwa.
Yeah, and JJ self don't drop since.
Okay.
So yeah, the one with Cranium, Dudu dropping.
Video will soon drop.
April 4th.
April 4th. Okay, yeah. Fine. So I know say you get plans for tour.
Tour, man.
Yeah. So tell us about that one.
A tour, more very, very outstretched tour. Blown Boy Rule World Tour. Starting with America, April 3rd till May 10th, then straight to Europe till June, then Japan, then we come back to the UK, Birmingham, Manchester, and London in September.
Now be the world tour, so you don't talk about from America to Asia to back to Europe.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at again. I want to ask you that three in one question. You get any producer where you admire so much you like, where you never work with, where you go like work with?
I think Scott Storch.
Okay.
He's American.
You go like work with him?
Yeah.
Okay. You get any Nigerian artist where you go like work with, where you never work with before? Where you feel the person vibe. You don't need to be biggest or whether you be B-list, C-list, whatever. You na A-list. But if he get anybody say this person, you go like do something with him. Any Nigerian where you just feeling vibe, they feeling say this person gone one day I go like do something with the person if the person they interested.
I think definitely
male and female.
Okay, male and female.
Yes.
Yeah, I'd like to work with King Madi.
Okay.
Then on the male side, I'd love so much to work with plenty for my head. Loj.
Yeah. Okay, you go like work with Loj. Which particular track you go say this one really stress me because what if you won't get, you never get it until you get her. Exactly.
Well, none of the songs stress me at all because me before I enter studio, I did very precise with each detail I did put in every song and. I go inside studio to hit the nail on the head. I know they go inside studio to go play, and I know the studio every time.
Okay.
So most of the time when I'm going into the studio like this, I go studio like even at 2 weeks I just want to spend for inside studio. I go studio not just go waste my time.
Yeah.
I go inside studio just make sure
100% concentration.
100% concentration. I don't go there to go vibe, just sit down, the vibe. I don't be studio rat. I know they do that thing.
Yeah.
Now most of the time maybe in a year I feel just spend like 2-3 months for inside studio. That's the most I would do.
Wow.
Do you understand? And the rest now mostly shows, enjoying my life and doing all normal things where human being they do. You understand? Being Ruga, being a star. You understand what I'm saying? So man, I'm very much precise with everything I want to do in the studio.
Okay, so how your music they come to you? Because if we check them, you don't get hits back to back to back to back,
Yeah.
and so it can't be like say the day easy. They come to you. So how they start for you? Say the right time, maybe when you wake up, or based on experiences, or how easy it be for you. Some people go say until they enter studio, maybe producer give them beats, but they gonna know what to write. But how they come for you?
First of all, now God. Secondly, like I like to start music from scratch.
Okay.
Like I like to see all the keyboard, everything, all the
Yes.
guitar. I just see everything. Then we just start something from the top, you know, from the roots. When we start them, it go blossom, it go come out well. I don't enter studio where producer play beat, and sometimes I dey get vibe from inside my head, like that intro. Now vibe we just build for inside my head, where I just tell cook beats where you just bring to life. So it varies a lot.
It varies. Okay, so we'll take one track from the album. For time, because of time, we will only play like 2 or 3 songs. So between Dudu and Giveaway, which one will play first?
Just play Giveaway.
Giveaway. Okay, tell us about Giveaway. How you take come about, and of course you put Zlatan inside the song.
Yeah. Zlatan. Shout out to Zlatan, man. Big Z, world president. That song I record them I record them here for Nigeria, and I just vibe what I just do, and I just send to Zlatan, and he just vibe on top and just finish him. And I don't do second verse for the song. I just, because I know say somebody guys there on top of the song, and Zlatan just come my head. I just send them to Zlatan, and Zlatan chopper.
We wish you all the best. Thank you very much for your tour and all that. In this small interview, look, I don't talk plenty things. People you go like collaborate with for Nigeria, you go do tour around the world. And the album, most important thing, Lone Boy Rule, it don't day everywhere now. Look, I think be your final word, so you go live with your fans and people who they out there before you come up for studio today.
And God bless my fans around the world, man. And may everybody just continue to the hope for a better nation and everything. May everybody continue to the hope. I know say things hard, but God will still shed the light at the end of the day. But like things go better at the end of the day. Just music, another way to like help. You understand? Music they always help. So listen to good music. Make listen to my album so that
listen to the album,
so that your day go better.
And then if you be babe, you need to listen to this album. I mean, the kind of songs where they Ruga sing a lot of songs for women, for babes, for
you understand.
When I hear them yesterday, I just like, wow, this guy that really love my mom. You get permanent babe now. You get permanent babe now. You see,
I get now.
And she be the part of the understanding babe too, right? She still be understanding
we
babes.
reach like 3 understanding.
3 understanding babes. Wow. So you now unofficially not the ladies man.
I'm the 3 ladies man.
Ruga at 3 ladies man right now. Okay. All right, that one self joined. All right, thanks for coming, Ruga. Wish you all the best. And of course, we're here. When I check out, just go YouTube, type Ruga. You go see all the videos there. Now, I would expect the video with what you do with Cranium. You say April 4th, it will come out. All right. So Ruga, now before you come up for studio, I want me you do. By the way, my headphone and Ruga hair now almost the same color. Just my headphone are the lighter color of Ruga own. The same pink. You understand? Ruga, I want me you do radio presenter for me now.
Okay.
Now you won't tell us say we won't play Dudu.
Okay,
you feature Cranium. So you go talk say I just want Ruga, you did Naija FM 102.7, you won't play the next song now. Dudu, make them listen to them. Dudu that for off the album, Lone Boy Rule, make them go stream, download and share and everything. But for now, make them just enjoy Dudu. Alright, now you be presenter now.
What's up my people? Now Ruga Day won't play the next song, Dudu featuring Cranium. Ruga featuring Cranium right here on Naija FM when I enjoy it.
You try.